2021 Easter Jeep Safari brings 4 rugged new concepts to Moab.
Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribing so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you get notification updates about the latest videos from us. Thank you.
Jeep is rolling into spring with a bevy of concept vehicles for the Easter Jeep Safari. The annual brand celebration will take place in Moab, Utah, starting March 27 and running through April 4. The 4 new concepts Jeep unveiled for the event this year don't correspond directly to any production models, but there are a few hints about what's on the horizon. Jeep Wrangler Magneto EV. The all-electric Jeep Magneto, based on the 2-door 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, was teased earlier this month. Powered by 4 battery packs with a total of 70.0 kilowatt-hours, the Magneto has 4x4 capability and power output of 273 pound-feet of torque and 285 horsepower. Unusually for an EV, the Magneto has a 6-speed manual transmission. Jeep says the idea would be for the motor to engage in regenerative power collection upon clutch engagement to prevent rev hang in quick shifting scenarios. Jeep has also decided to spread the 4 battery packs around the Wrangler body to keep the weight balanced. Jeep claims the Magneto can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, and you can't miss the bright white paint with surf blue accents on the outside and the royal blue and black leather seats inside the open interior. We think the Magneto is likely a hint that a production Wrangler EV could be on its way, perhaps late this year or early in 2022. Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Red Bear. This Gladiator Rubicon concept focuses more on the low-end power side of the Jeep equation, which has a 3.0-liter ecodiesel V6 engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission calibrated for low RPM shifts, and a 91:1 crawl ratio to help keep the firecracker red exterior paint right side up. The engine produces 260 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, and it comes with engine stop-start technology as well. The Jeep Red Bear Gladiator Rubicon uses Dana 44 front and rear heavy-duty axles with 4.88 axle ratios, 37-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, factory steel bumpers with a worn winch, and a front bumper grille guard. 1968 Jeepster Commando Beach. Instead of looking forward, the Jeepster Beach takes a 1968 Jeepster Commando C101, adds in a 2-tone paint scheme, hazy IPA and zinc oxide, and throws in a modified 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, about 25% more power than the production version of that engine. There's an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 4-to-1 transfer case to move the concept's 35-inch tires. Inside, there are bucket seats with red leather trim and none of that messy carpet that would just collect sand. Jeep Wrangler Orange Peels. If you can't take a Jeep chassis on the trail, perhaps the Jeep Orange Peels will do the open-air trick. Based on a 2-door Wrangler, this concept does away with the side and rear windows, and uses prototype JPP half-doors and a removable one-piece glass sunroof. There are 5-inch, off-road LED lights mounted at the base of the A-pillars, and the windshield is made of Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 that produces 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque, along with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Orange Peels rides on 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires and uses a 2-inch JPP lift kit with Fox shocks. The concept's name comes from the Orange Peels' exterior color, teamed with contrasting satin black beltline graphic and fender badges. Jeep will also bring 3 Jeep and Mopar concepts that we saw in 2020 to Moab for the first time. The Jeep Gladiator Far Out, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392, and the Jeep Gladiator Top Dog concept will all be on location.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like. Leave a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.